WT Facts time. You won't believe this one. Did you know that iguanas sneeze more than any other animal? And it's not because of allergies or a cold? These cool creatures often live in deserts where they eat salty plants. Their bodies need to get rid of all that extra salt, so they have a special trick. They sneeze it out. Iguanas actually shoot salty snot from their noses to survive. Sometimes you can even see white crystals around their nostrils. Next time you sneeze, just be glad you're not launching salt everywhere like an iguana. What the facts?